In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate German to English with DeepL. We're keeping this simple and effective so you can get a clear, accurate translation fast. First, open your web browser and go to the DeepL website. This is a trusted online translator known for handling style and context better than many others, which is why it's great for German to English work. Once the page loads, you'll see two main text areas side by side. The left side is where you put your original text, and the right side is where the translation appears. On the left panel, choose German as the source language. You'll usually find a drop-down at the top of that box. Selecting German tells DeepL exactly what language it should be translating from, which helps avoid confusion with words that look similar across languages. If German is already selected, you're ready to move on. Now look at the right panel. Set English as the target language. This makes sure the translation you get is in English, and it also helps DeepL apply the right grammar and style for English sentences. Again, if English is already showing there, you're all set. With the languages in place, paste or type your German text into the left box. You can paste with your usual keyboard shortcut, like Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. If you're typing by hand, don't worry about special characters. Letters like E, U, U, and C are fully supported. You can add a single word, a sentence, a paragraph, or even a longer block of text. Clear punctuation and spacing will help the system deliver the best possible result. As soon as your text is in the left box, watch the right side. DeepL will show the English translation instantly. You don't need to press anything. It updates in real time. Read through the translation to make sure it captures the meaning you expect. Pay special attention to names, technical terms, and idiomatic expressions. DeepL is strong with context, but a quick review helps ensure tone and terminology match your needs. If a sentence feels off, try adding a bit more context to the German text or adjusting punctuation for clarity, then let the translation refresh. That's all there is to it. By going to DeepL, selecting German on the left and English on the right, entering your German text, and viewing the instant output, you'll have a fast, polished translation ready to read or refine. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your smoother German to English translations with DeepL.